Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about why your Amazon sales are stuck and what to do. Let's get into it. If your Amazon sales have been stagnant, there are a few key areas you need to focus on to start seeing real growth. The first thing to check is your main image. Since it's the first thing customers see, even a small improvement can significantly increase your click-through rate. Running an A/B test with different image variations can help you determine what works best. Adjusting angles, lighting, or contrast could make all the difference. Another major factor is pricing. If your competitors are selling at a lower price and your product isn't significantly differentiated, you might struggle to compete. In some cases, it makes sense to adjust pricing, especially if you have a strong back-end model like a subscription service. A lower front-end price can bring in more customers, leading to long-term gains through repeat purchases. Advertising is another critical aspect. If your ad spend is too low, your competitors will dominate the search results. Instead of just relying on broad campaigns, try diversifying with manual targeting, remarketing, and long-tail keywords that bring in high-intent buyers. Sometimes increasing your budget short-term to gain ranking can be a smart move, especially if you have a solid conversion rate. Video content is something many sellers overlook, but it plays a huge role in conversions. Customers want to see a product in action before purchasing. Having a well-produced video showing real-life usage can significantly increase trust in sales. If your listing doesn't have a video, it's time to invest in one. UGC, user-generated content videos, work particularly well because they feel more authentic and relatable. Brand awareness outside of Amazon is just as important. If all your traffic is coming from within Amazon, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram can drive traffic to your listing, and influencer marketing can give your product the credibility it needs. Instead of focusing on many small influencers, it's better to work with a few high-quality creators who can produce engaging content that converts. By optimizing your images, adjusting pricing, increasing ad spend strategically, adding video content, and leveraging external traffic sources, you can break past that sales plateau and start growing again. If you need help implementing these strategies, feel free to reach out and we can put together a plan to get your sales moving in the right direction. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.